Understanding a fit of the giggles, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English expression that you might have heard or read somewhere. A fit of the giggles. Have you ever found yourself unable to stop laughing, even when you knew you should? Well, this phrase perfectly captures that moment. Let's break it down together, shall we? A fit of the giggles is an idiomatic expression used to describe a sudden burst or uncontrollable episode of laughter. The key here is that this laughter isn't just a chuckle or a giggle. It's more intense and often happens at times when laughing may not be deemed appropriate. It's like a sneeze. Once it starts, stopping it is harder than you think. Fit. In this context, fit refers to a sudden outburst or episode of a specific behavior. It's not limited to laughter. For example, someone can have a fit of anger or a fit of coughing. But when combined with the giggles, it's all about laughter. The giggles, a lighter, more playful term for laughter, especially the kind that's soft and uncontrollable. It suggests a kind of laughter that's infectious and joyful, but not always loud or boisterous. A fit of the giggles is often used in informal settings. You might describe a moment you shared with friends, a scene in a movie, or even your own experience during a quiet event where you couldn't keep yourself from laughing. It's a phrase that captures the joy and silliness of the moment. For example, during the lecture, I got a fit of the giggles and couldn't stop laughing. The movie was so funny. It gave us all a fit of the giggles. It's crucial to understand the context in which a fit of the giggles happens. Sometimes, these uncontrollable bursts of laughter can come at inappropriate times, like during a solemn occasion or a quiet classroom setting. While the phrase captures a joyous experience, it also hints at the struggle to regain composure. And that's a fit of the giggles for you. We hope this explanation brings a bit more joy and understanding to your English language learning journey. Remember, experiencing a fit of the giggles is a universal part of being human. It connects us through joy and humor. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.